Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to transfer crypto from Robinhood, updated. First, enable withdrawals and verify your identity in the app before starting a transfer. Next, confirm the receiving wallet supports the exact blockchain network and address type you will use. Always double-check the address, test with a small amount, and be aware of fees and network congestion that may affect timing and cost during the transfer process. In this video, I will show how to transfer crypto from Robinhood, updated. Open your external wallet, copy the receive address, then switch to Robinhood and select withdraw for the specific crypto. Paste the address carefully and enter the amount you want to send, considering any minimums or fees. Send a small test transaction first to confirm the address and network match, then send the remaining balance once you see the test arrive safely at the destination. In this video, I will show how to transfer crypto from Robinhood, updated. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy clear, practical guidance, consider a helpful book called The Simple Path to Wealth to sharpen your saving and investing mindset. I find its plain advice pairs well with cautious crypto habits and long-term planning. If you want the link and special deals, check the description for details, and if this helped, please like and subscribe. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to transfer crypto from Robinhood, updated. If your transfer is pending, check the Blockchain Explorer for confirmations and network status rather than assuming the app failed. For any mistakes or missing funds, contact Robinhood support right away and provide transaction ID, timestamps, and screenshots. Prevent issues by copying addresses from QR codes when possible, double-checking characters, and enabling 2FA to reduce the risk of unauthorized withdrawals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.